What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not subscribed to the YouTube channel already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I'm going to be highlighting the Epson 6050, which is one of our top rated 4K E-Shift projectors that is available on the market. And we are going to be pairing that with a 106-inch Dragonfly acoustically transparent screen. I hope that you guys enjoy this demo and find it informative and hoping you make a buying decision. This may not be the product for you, but believe me, Dreamedia has you covered. We have all the industry-leading top manufacturers to choose from. All right, guys, let's get into this demo. Okay, so this is the theater here, guys. I did a full walkthrough on this room. It's a 724 system, but this particular video is just going to be highlighting the Epson 6050 in combination with the Acoustically screen. And we'll just go and select, like, I guess, transformers.
The whole room's gone down, sir.
I can see that.
The virus was coded to shut us down.
General,
Take a seat. The blackouts are global. We have no communications. Satellite and landlines are dead.
you mean to tell me that I cannot pick up this telephone and call my family?
All right, guys, so you can see how much light's in this room. There's a reason that the picture doesn't look as good as it possibly can, and it's because of all this light. This particular screen is not designed to have this much light reflecting onto it. Now, if you guys do like having a ton of light in your theater and you have an open concept like this, we sell ALR screens, ambient light rejecting screens, and you can even get ALR screens that are acoustically transparent. So Dragonfly isn't going to be our choice. We're talking more premium options like Screen Innovations. Primarily is really my favorite, but we also have Stewart available. So again, we carry all of the industry leaders, guys. Make sure to just consult with us. Consult with the audio video consultants, and they'll figure out what's exactly right for your budget and needs. But I did want to point that out. Let's kill these lights. Look at how much that helps. And we can even still leave these sconces on and the track lighting to give it some ambiance.
You may remember if NASA JPL lost the Beagle 2 Mars. Well, Beagle 2 transmitted 13 seconds. This was classified above top secret.
Are we talking about an invasion?
We intercepted the message from your special ops team.
I mean, guys, this is just being streamed off of the Fire TV, and the image quality is really, really top quality. That's why this Epson 6050 is just one of our best sellers, because I mean, it's dang close. Let's just say that, dang close to native 4K. Obviously, it's not as sharp and clean as you're not going to see the detail that you would see out of our JVCs and Sonys, especially not the JVC DILAs. But for what it cost, the color pop, the vibrancy, the detail, it's there. The E-Shift works. Look at this.
And against their next attack, which I would bet my ridiculous government salary is coming.
I mean, look at the wrinkles on the guy's face. All right, I'm going to do one more demo for you guys. This is going to be John Wick 3. Alright guys, well that does conclude my demo of the Epson 6050 with the Dragonfly 106-inch acoustically transparent white screen. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. If you would like to purchase anything home theater related, reach out and show your support. Maybe this isn't the system for you, but believe me, Dreamedia does have the system for you. We have all the industry-leading top manufacturers to choose from, and make sure to ask about our preferred installer network if you are not DIYing it. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. I am going all around New York and New Jersey and highlighting really cool theater setups and basements just like this one here, so you gotta follow along. Alright guys, till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Just cruising through New Jersey. On to the next one.